Yo, what's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. No, the 420 is not back yet, so we're riding the little old recon. About to go see if we can find some mud, which shouldn't be a problem. Especially now that all the water is starting to dry up because it's about summertime. Not in the creek, just like in all the mud holes. Most of the water's drying up out of them and going down in it. So it makes the bottom really soft and thick. And it's not as like easy to paddle through with the water. Some spots just hold water all year round, so they'll obviously be watering down. Which road are we going in? Side by side just went through that one and this one on the edge right here, so it's probably best to go in this one. Well, no, either way we'll still be going for one. I like right here. Or we could try and go in between them and just see which road we fall into. Oh, we didn't even fall into one. Alright. Well, in that case, I'm just gonna back up, because that kind of takes the fun out of it. We're in a rut. I'm getting smarter, y'all. I'm starting to wear muck boots in situations like this. Alright, we're about out. Dang, that mud's actually kind of muddy now. It used to just be water, now it's real muddy. At least for this. Y'all see how much I had the tire slinging? We ain't making it through this. I'm just going on the side. figure out what that is scrubbing the axle right there, because something was scrubbing the axle. Y'all, look how low this right here has got. This down here. I ain't going through it, but it's gotten low. Honestly, probably could cross. I don't know. I ain't testing it today. I'm in neutral. I'm gonna put it in reverse so we won't roll forward. I want to see how deep it is out here on the side. Oh, it does kind of drop right here. I don't feel like I'm gonna be able to walk across. I'm just gonna slowly ease down. Oh, yep. Now there's water under my boot. That's where it kind of starts getting a little deeper over the boot. Could we make it? Probably. Am I bottomed out? Oh my, I think I am. I am indeed. This ain't good. But good thing, in case y'all forgot, I'm an expertise driver. And there's nothing I can't make it out of. Well, I take that back. On this, there's not... Actually, yeah, I'm gonna say that, and then there's gonna be like a montage of times I've got this thing stuck. It's just light and easy to control, but on mine, there's only one place right now mine gets stuck in. Alright. I'm not going deep here. I ain't going to the exhaust because it's not mine. I just want to get a little bit up on the floorboards for fun. How close is the exhaust to the water? Hopefully it ain't deep right here. I just want to look. We got a little bit of breathing room. Do we take the little inch back? It hit the water a little. We ain't gonna get it in wheelie in this clay. Look at all the clay on the hill. Oh, we ain't getting it in wheelie on the clay and in that little bit of water. That ain't a good combination. Maybe something with more powerful, or something that'll spin in that easier. This is almost all dried up. And this was like one of my favorite little... It's still going to be really muddy, so I ain't worried about it. Yeah, look, we're already starting to spin right here. We're definitely getting stuck in here. I can't wait to get the 420 back and try and claim this hole again. We couldn't make it through before because the straight axle bottoming out, but I want to give it a retry. I ain't even in the hole yet. I ain't going with both tires in. I'm just going to go, well, one tire in on each side and see if it's still really deep. If it is. Oh, well, I'm done for now. I don't know, it'll be close. We ain't bottomed out bad no more. I'm gonna take it back. I ain't getting out of this easy. Gosh. If I put it in neutral, I can pick it up and roll it. And yeah, I've said this before, this is not mine, it's my sister's. So y'all don't be hating on me. Because the stickers that are on it, I didn't put these little girl stickers on here. Freak! That's more mud in my boot. It went all the way down in that mud and sunk. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna pick up the back and get this out. It's almost out. I'm just pushing the... I picked it up a little and now I'm just pushing the front. Ooh. Alright, we're good. Gosh, this stuff is bad. Now that it's all dried. Surprised I was able to make it over that. We're done for. My lord. Why's it gotta be so bad right here? It's just soupy mud. It might come out right here. Never mind, I pushed it right back in the rut. Look at the mud on this tire. This is bad. It's just sliding. Pick it up more. It's kind of hard to find somewhere to stand with these ruts in the way. Oh my. Even if we get up here, it's still about to be bad. Yeah, I'm backing out. Thing's so heavy right now because it's literally sitting on this front frame. Well, that ain't gonna stop me. If I could walk around. Oh well, I don't have my four-wheeler and I don't know what's getting in here to pull it out. Alright, y'all, I'll see y'all when I'm able to get this out. Alright, y'all, I just stepped right here. Look at my leg. This is in the rut. It's up to my knee. Oh my, I'm glad I didn't make it this far. Oh, the 420's got to come through this, bro. It absolutely has to. Oh, there's so much mud in my shoe. Oh my lord. I don't know how it's that deep. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna get this out. All right, y'all. I got a little progress forward, but it didn't help none. I want to go backwards. I'm covered in mud. This is the result. It's stuck bad. I'm going to go get something to pull it down. I don't know what. So I got my 420. But I'll figure something out. So yeah, peace out. I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm watching this after this, so the video might be a little later. Oh, I'm watching the recon. I'm watching myself first too. So yeah, peace out. I'll see y'all in the next. Should have known this was gonna be bad, and I just tried. I'm ready. Hopefully we can get the 420 back tomorrow. Well, my dad can't. I ain't gonna be home tomorrow. I was gonna try shooting, but today, but he didn't get home in time. So we'll try tomorrow. Until then, peace out. I'll see you on the next video. Sorry about Hal, but she's out.